Morgan. And Marley. As you guys haven't figured out yet, we're a family of M's, even our hamster. And that's Miss Fluffy Toes. There's Finding Nemo. And here comes another clear one, guys. So if you guys are looking to do some video, get a clear one, guys. Ask for a clear. It's worth it. You stand off to the side for a couple of seconds. The clear ones come in, you get one. And even though we've got a lot of dirt on the outside, it's a lot better than having a decals because you can't really film through it. So this is a little bit better. We're back up above, guys. We're going to look back around once again. Caribbean Beach, Riviera, heading over towards the Art of Animation, Pop Century, and over that way is going to take you over to the Hollywood Studios, and you can see the Hollywood Tower Hotel up in the distance there, guys. Over on the right, we've got it's the World Showcase right there. That's the American Pavilion right there. And it takes you all the way around the world over there, guys. So it's all the countries over there, and you've got the Epcot Ball, known as Spaceship Earth. To the right of that, the big blue building, the Guardians of the Galaxy. They kind of like cheese wedge in the back, that little pyramid over there with the top kind of broken off a little bit. That right there is you got the land, you got the living seas, you got everything back on the other side there. So definitely get your way over there, check it out. They got the new Moana section opened up. There is a lot of construction still going on over there, guys. We shot the monorail over there. We're up above looking down so you guys can see what's left. There's still quite a bit. So I'd hold off if you're getting in there. Give it a little time. That way it's a little better. You don't want to get there and half the stuff's all closed down. And lately that's been the new thing. You get inside and everything's closed. It's crazy. And we are going to try to do a couple more helium sessions in some of these rides or some of these boat rides, some of these attractions. We'll see how they go. There's another look into Epcot. You got Morocco over there. And over there, it looks like you got the Beach Club. You got the Yacht Club. You got the Boardwalk, the Swan, the Dolphin, the Swan Reserve. And the Eiffel Tower thrown in there. You got a little of everything in the mix. Over here, in the distance, you see the two little hair things sticking up on that building. It's kind of got like little sticks hanging up. That's the Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway ride. Over to the left of that, that's the whole Star Wars section. A little different than we shot it. We were here a couple nights ago riding this thing in the dark, and we got some nice footage in the dark. But it's a lot different night and day. Kind of like that song. Night and day, you are. That's why I'm not a singer, guys. That's Marley. We're getting ready to head on back to the resort to do some swimming.
Guys, comment down below what Disney theme park is your favorite. For me, it would have to be probably the Magic Kingdom. Comment down below.
What's your favorite park?
Magic Kingdom.
And mine's probably gonna have to be, I like Hollywood Studios. It is my favorite. They don't have enough to do there, guys. But I do like the way you come into it, and it's when you look at it, it's all based like in a time warp from way back in the day with all the neons. I love the looks of it. I wish they'd get a lot more rides over there. But I would say Magic Kingdom would definitely be my second choice.
This is the turn and station.
Hey, it's Stitch. Hey, it's Ratatouille. That's Remy. Remy's Ratatouille. Then you got the Swan, the Dolphin, the Swan Reserve, the Boardwalk Inn. On the other side of that, you guys are going to be seeing the Beach Club Village, Yacht Club. There's Toy Story again, and once again, guys, I got it out finally. The Toy Story, the movie, the new one is going to be coming out, guys. They're going to do another one in the series, guys. It's always good to see. I hope they do a good job on that movie. Don't hurry out a movie just to make a movie. Like Indiana Jones got a lot of bad reviews, and And you know what? Take your time. Wait another year if you have to. Don't just pound something out and then be disappointed in it, guys. There's a lot of room to make a really nice movie, and I hope they do that. You figure the last movie was a nice movie, do the same thing. And sadly, no more Mrs. Potato Head. She's not there anymore, so that's a sad day for us. Yep, it's sad.
Princess and the Frog.
Princess and the Frog.
And my personal favorite after that one, the clear one.
The clear one. And we are trying, guys, to get her name on the list so we can get over there and do the YouTube videoing of the opening of the Tiana's Bayou ride, guys. We're trying to get over there. We were hoping that one of the first ones over there. Keep our fingers crossed this time. We missed the cut on Tron, so hopefully we can get it this time. And this is why I tell you guys, we love the support. We love the subscribers, guys. It helps us get these movies out, guys. Helps us get inside. There's Ratatouille's, Remy's Ratatouille's Adventure, guys. The line down there today is humongous. And there's the new versions of the boats down there. And let's take a look down there, Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. It's long, but not that crazy. There's Epcot, another look. You got the test track out there, guys. That's to the left. You got Mexico right next to it. And there's another one of the new boats with the yellow. So they're painting all the boats with new schemes, and here's where we're getting off, guys. So it's been a nice Skyliner ride. Morgan, say goodbye.
I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
And we'll see you guys in the next one, guys. Hang tough.